Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show the issue that I encountered with my car today. I turned on my car, it wouldn't turn on, so I had to charge it up. I noticed a warning message started coming up on my display. So this is the warning message. Like, I turned on my car right now. Let me turn off my car first. So I turn on my car. When I try to put the car on drive, this message will come up. Transmission not in P, risk of vehicle running away. So this never comes up. I'm not sure what it is, but after a little bit of playing around, I noticed what the issue might be. So right now my door is closed. My driver door is closed, and let me put this back in park. So if I put it back in park, it goes away. So now let me open my driver door. So the door is open right now, as you can see. So when I put it back in drive, the display does not come up. So that tells me that this has something to do with my driver side door. It seems like the sensor on my driver side door is damaged. So I have to figure out a way to fix that. So just watch now. Let me close the door. Right, and let me put this back in drive. See? So it's likely an issue with my driver door. Open the door. Put it back in park. Put it back in drive. The display does not come up. It only comes up. The warning does not come up. It only comes up when the door is closed. So, see, let's take this car for a spin and to confirm that this is an issue with the driver's door. So just press OK to get it away. So just to confirm that my door is closed. This is my door. I just closed it. All right. So let's take it on a spin. It's a few minutes spin, and it's gonna be showing that the door is open when the door is closed. See? It just showed it. The door is open. I'm pretty sure that my door is closed. So this confirms that there is an issue with my door, which is causing this thing. So I think I have a door sensor problem. So I'm gonna figure out how to get that fixed. So in order to fix that, I'm thinking if I should reset my battery, because before this started, my car couldn't start, so I had to jump the battery of my car, which is the Mercedes ML350. So I'm thinking maybe I should reset my battery. So I'm gonna do that. So as you know, the battery of the ML350 is located under the passenger's seat. So this is it. So I had to pull the chair forward, and the battery is located here. So I'm gonna try to access the battery. So here is the one of the terminal right here. So I'm gonna unscrew this and screw it back in to see if it will reset the sensor and probably fix the issue. So I'm gonna unloosen the battery, disconnect the terminal. Let's go. So I just disconnected the terminal, and let me plug it back in. Let me tighten it. All right, let's start the car and see if we'll still have that issue. So I'm in the car. I'm gonna so my door is closed. All right, so I'm gonna start it now. All right, the car is on. My door is closed. Let me see if I'm gonna receive the message again. All right, the message has disappeared. So I'm gonna take the car on a spin to see if the door open message is going to come up again. All right, it's no longer coming on. So I think because I had to recharge my battery, I guess it messed up the sensor. So resetting the battery had to fix the issue. So I hope you found this knowledge useful, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to get more related videos. Thank you.